Hello and welcome everyone to this video tutorial. My name is Kumar Sarab. Today we are going to learn how to set a password for a PostgreSQL user. Securing your PostgreSQL database is crucial and setting a strong password for your user is a vital part of that. In this tutorial, we will show you step by step how to set a password for PostgreSQL user. But before we begin, make sure you have PostgreSQL installed and have access to PostgreSQL database. If you are ready, let's dive in. The first step is to access a PostgreSQL cell. Open your terminal or command prompt and type a PSSQL. If you have a specific username and database you want to connect to, use the following command: PSSQL, then option -u, specify the username, then option -d, specify the database you want to connect, then hit enter. Now that we are inside PostgreSQL cell, we need to select the user for which we want to set the password. To do that, type the /du and press enter. This will list all the users in your Postgres database as you can see. Now identify the user you want to set password for. Remember the username as we will use it in the next step. In this example, let's change the password for the Postgres user, which is the default super user in PostgreSQL. To set the password for any user, on alter user, your username with a password with your new password. Now replace your username with the actual username you want to set the password for and your password with the desired password. For instance, if you want to set the password for a user named Postgres, the command would be alter user, then specify the user Postgres with a password, then specify the new password for that user. Make sure to use a single quotes around the password and press enter. The password has been set, but before we move on, let's make sure the password has been successfully changed. To do this, let's disconnect from the PostgreSQL cell by typing the /q and press enter. Now let's reconnect to PostgreSQL cell using the Postgres user and the newly set password. Now you have successfully set a new password for the Postgres user. Let's double check by listing all the user once more by typing /du command. Your Postgres user is now more secure with a new password. Securing your PostgreSQL database is very important, and setting a strong passwords for your user is a crucial step in the process. Today you have learned how to set a password for PostgreSQL user using the example of changing the password for the Postgres user, which is the default super user. So at last I want to say don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you.